you have an open diff, you can't drift. There are some exceptions. You can definitely drift an open diff, but it's hard. However, when it decides to snow in the middle of April, it provides a perfect chance to drift with an open diff. So that's what we're doing today. I want to take the truck out in the snow and drift it. First time drifting the truck in snow on our compound tires. Maybe not the best idea, but I want to have fun. As you saw, we got Pasha and Jared working here on the car. Let's do skids!
What?
Let's do skids!
Skids?
Skids!
I like skids. I like skids too.
Oh. You're gonna regret that.
I already did.
Oh, geez. Ooh.
In the end of a day might not be the good idea. Oh god, this is gonna be bad.
Oh no, there's a plow! I would sit in the bed, guys.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm perfectly safe. Jared, how you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
It's a little scary.
Alright, you guys want to get out?
Huh?
You guys want to get out?
No?
What?
Yeah, for the fun, dude.
Alright. Oh, the drift truck's drifting!
Oh, let's go, dude. Oh, let's go, dude.
Now I'm stuck.
It's not going anywhere.
If it had like good winter tires, it would actually be fun because there would be a little bit of grip, but with the summer tires, there's just literally no grip, so it's not fun. Yeah, so snow drifting on our compound tires in a truck with a open diff doesn't really work. Not enough grip to actually get any speed. But now we're actually working on making a new intake for the truck. Currently, it just has the stock intake that we kind of made work. It looks kind of bunk, it's plastic, doesn't sound good. So we're gonna make a new intake out of some steel. Let me show you what we're debating. So the intake we have now makes the filter go over here. Problem with that is that I wanna move the coolant reservoir over here, and there's all this electrical stuff, so I don't want the intake to be over here. There's a bunch of space over there, so I want the intake to be over there. But there's this radiator hose, so I either have to have a tube that goes underneath it, which will look kind of not as good, or we have to try to find a new hose that will work. We're using the stock radiator hose, that other one didn't work, so. I am MIG welding this stainless steel with improper stuff, so it's no longer gonna be stainless, but I'm gonna go, I'm gonna get this intake probably powder coated when I'm done, so. It ends right there. We have to add something so the filter's right in that corner there. Filming. Second part of the intake is made. Now we gotta combine the two, and then weld it all the way up, grind it down, paint it. Oh!
Did it break?
No, it just fell. That's pretty good. I like that. Hell yeah. Or
IQ 300.
even though this is stainless steel that I'm using for this intake, which not as light as aluminum, but it will work just as well. I'm gonna go ahead and grind down the weld so it looks like it's all one piece. I think that will look really cool. And then I'll paint it. Welds actually look pretty good. I'm happy with them. There's a little bit of splatter all over the pipe, so hopefully I can get that off as well. Hopefully I can clean up the inside, but this is a pretty cool little thing. I've waited a lot longer than I wanted to let this thing dry, but it should be pretty good right now. Problem with spray paint, especially if you do primer and a base coat, it takes a while until it's dry enough to handle without kind of messing it up. But I think it's there. Gotta put the air intake temperature sensor into the pipe. I think we have to make the hole a little bit bigger. No! I made it too big! Damn it! It's nothing a little JB weld can't fix. I wasn't paying attention. I actually just drilled the hole way too big with the step drill bit. So now the temperature sensor just goes in and out. To be fair, like 90% of this is made out of JB weld over here. It's pretty cold in the shop right now, and this coupler is really stiff when it's cold. So I'm gonna heat it up a bit. Okay. Loosely on. There we go. And for the part everyone loves most, putting a way oversized filter on. Boom. The truck has a new intake. I'm really happy with that. It just makes it look kind of more finished. Grinding it down and painting it all worked really well. In the future I can make a little airbox right here. In the future I could make a headlight that is hollow, because that is like direct, that is directly behind. To be honest, I don't really hear much of a difference with the intake. Was it worth it? Probably not, but it looks so much better. So. Every time I floor this thing, I get scared. And this thing fucking pops down. God! I I hate that thing so much. Whatever. Whew. That's nice. I do want to go ahead and give you guys a huge thanks. You guys killed it with the Drift Truck t-shirts. So I went ahead, purchased myself an LSD for the truck. I also went ahead and purchased a water temp gauge because I don't have one of those. I know it doesn't overheat just cruising around, and even on the dyno it didn't overheat, but if anything like breaks, like it pops a hose or something I don't notice, I need a coolant temp gauge to see. First drift event in the truck is April 27th and 28th at Chamonix, US Air, up in Wisconsin. So that's gonna be really fun. This weekend, I'm hoping to take the Rally Miata to the dunes as long as the weather is cooperative. Literally, I was drifting the truck in like inches of snow yesterday, and today it was 50 degrees. And now all the snow is gone, as you saw. So Illinois can be weird. So I don't know if we're gonna go to the dunes, but I'm hoping to bring the car to the dunes. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you didn't enjoy the video, please give it a dislike. If you guys haven't gotten yourself a Drift Truck t-shirt yet and you wanna help support the channel, I'll have a link in the description. Go to gingium.net, purchase one. Thank you to everyone who does that. It really, really, really helps. And if you are new to the channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and goodbye.